everyone, I'm back with another unboxing of the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box XL, it's a mouthful, for the month of March. This time I was surprised because I got a beading awl with it. So I wanted to show you guys and I thought that was pretty cool. I used my awl a lot, the other one I have. These awls come in handy for making knots or puncture little holes, you know, like to undo a knot. So for stringing and beading, these are really useful. So thank you to Potomac Beads for the extra little tool here. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Okay, so this is the March Potomac Beads Best Bead Box XL, and it looks like this month is called Temporal Transitions. Time passes, seasons change, and the neutral tones of winter give way to the budding colors of spring. The Temporal Transition box uses earth tone colors with bright reflections and shine to make innovative designs that highlight everything you love about our ever-changing world. Think outside of the box. Share your design. There's a regular bead box, and then there's this one, the Bead Box XL. Now the regular bead box has two designs that it comes with and some extras, whereas the Bead Box XL you get two designs as well, but you also get a bonus pattern. Oh, this one looks really nice. Cellini spiral stitch, and I love these patterns because they teach you new techniques of jewelry making if you like beading. I've been really impressed with the past boxes, so I wanted to just show you a sample. This is one of the designs that I made from a past box. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. That is just gorgeous. I love it. And it's something that I would have not known how to do. So, you know, and then you just can save the patterns and make like a little binder with all these patterns to refer back to if you ever need to. Look at this one. This is another one from one of the past boxes that I made. And look at how pretty that is. And it comes with pearls as well. So if you like beading and are new to it or want to learn new techniques or build up your stash, this bead box is really cool. So let me put these away. So let's see what's in the Temporal Transitions box. So it looks like we've got a dragonfly pendant necklace, and then a sequoia, I think it's sequoia bracelet, and then Cellini, the bonus pattern, which I'm going to set over here to the side. And then it comes all packaged really nicely for, you know, for the kits. So you got the sequoia bracelet, and then you've got what you need to make it. Oh no, you know what? I'm looking at the dragon beads, the dragonfly little round beads here. So this package is for the dragonfly pendant necklace. So they give you everything exactly that you need, and then the instructions are here. They give you step by step as well. And if you need more help, or if you get confused, because that happened to me in a past bracelet that I made, they do have the video version here, so you can follow along with whoever's, you know, you can follow along on YouTube in case you get stuck, because sometimes, you know, the written instructions are nice, but then you kind of don't know what they mean. I'm really more of a visual learner, so if you're like me, definitely use the tutorials on their YouTube site. And they have also a Better Beater episode, so you definitely want to check out their channel. And it looks like this one is for the sequoia bracelet. See? So again, everything's packaged nicely to make your the patterns of this month's box. And then let's move on to look at what is in the box for this month. So for the first item I pulled out, it looks like these are Potomac pearls in dark gray. They're 4mm, and this is an 8-inch strand. Look at how beautiful these are. Beautiful silver pearls. Really pretty. You can always use pearls in any project. I have tons of these little small especially the 4mm ones. They go really nice in a lot of projects. Then We have some, I don't need to take them out. You guys know what a lobster clasp looks like. So it looks like we have a package of lobster clasp 12 millimeter premium. And it's 99.9% silver plated brass. And we have a pack of 10. So always can use those, definitely. We also have these round dual minis in jet antique chrome. Oh, pretty. So round dual minis. Okay, so they have, they're round, but they have double, two little holes in them. So these are double, and again, they go really well with seed beading. So these are, you know, antique jet antique chrome. Really cute. Double strand round dual mini. I hadn't heard of those. That's the other thing about this box, that you get to check out different beads that you otherwise wouldn't have, you know, wouldn't have purchased or tried out, because you don't know if you're gonna like them or not. Here are Potomac crystal faceted round food ball. I don't know what that means. 3 millimeter. Like I said, you always end up with new little. Okay, so it looks like new little beads to check out. Looks like they're, so they have like a metallic finish to them, but at the same time kind of crystal. I don't know if you can see how they kind of, a little sparkly. And then we have 2-hole bell bead in white champagne luster. 2-hole. We got a double holes on these. Oh yeah, look at right there. 2-hole. Does it come out in one? Oh no. We still have 2 coming out on each side of the bell. Well, that's cute. Again, I've never seen these. I didn't even know they existed. So they always surprise me with something new in their boxes. So pretty. They're kind of, they are champagne color, but they do have that beautiful luster to them that makes them shine really, really pretty. I don't know if the camera's picking up how, I don't know if, I think there we go. That should show. Then, oh, okay. So these are bullet end cap cone 5 by 10 millimeter premium 99.9 silver plated brass. And we have a pack of 4. So these are really pretty. And you know what? These would probably be really cool for kumahimo endings too. I love to do kumahimo. So these endings would be really, really pretty. Will be, because I'm going to do, that's what I'm going to use them for. Very pretty. Very sleek. All right. So these are multi-stone round 6 millimeter beads. So apparently they're natural stones. But look at how pretty these are. We've got all sorts of multi-stones. Like here I see a tiger eye. A tiger eye right there. Got a couple of those. Maybe this could be lapis sodalite. Looks like lapis. We've got some agates, some crystal. Really pretty. So we got different stones, but you can probably make some really pretty, just, you know, use some beading wire and make a really pretty necklace. Put a pendant, you're good to go. Very pretty. These are ball and hitch clasp, 7.3 millimeter. Again, it's a premium 99.9 silver plated, and we got a pack of 5. So what are they? Ball and hitch clasp. Huh. Let me put these here. I've never seen a clasp like this. This is okay. So you open it by taking this part out, I'm assuming. Oh yeah. So see, you got the little ball right there. I see. Then you just put it back in there. Ooh. Can I do that? There we go. See? Very cool. Interesting. These would be really pretty for necklaces, you know, with seed beads. And we've got some check round beads in white champagne lust. Again, we've got some luster here. These are 3mm. Some check beads. These are not pearls, but they're very pretty just the same. Very cute. Look at these cute guys. These are Mayuki Cube Matte Black AB in 3mm. Oh, these are Mayuki little cubes. Very pretty. Matte Black AB. They look blue. Blue and gray to me. What do you guys think? Don't they look blue and gray? Look at that. I think they look blue and gray. But I see a little bit of purple. Huh. I like that the hole is pretty large, because then you can, you know, pass the strand twice through it. You know what these be probably really pretty that I might use these for is for making a bracelet on the what is that called? Why can't I think about it right? Why can't I think of it right now? On my jewel loom. That's what it is. I got a loom that I can. With these probably would look really pretty in a bracelet. I wonder if 1mm leather would fit through these. So, very cool. Last, but definitely not least, we have these stainless steel metal spacer beads. Premium 99.9 pure silver plated pack of 100. How pretty is that? These are really cool. I love using these, you know what, for wire working. I've got a ton of them. Ton of these that I always incorporate into my designs. I love these things. So this is the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box XL for the month of March. I am really excited because I got a little tool, and I love beading tools. I'm a bit addicted to beading tools, but they make your jewelry look so much, I mean, it's so much easier to make jewelry with them. So I was really excited when I saw the beading owl. Like I said, I'm a fan of beading tools. Also, let me know in the comments down below which one of these projects would be something that you would enjoy making. The sequoia bracelet, the dragonfly pendant necklace, or the bonus project, which is the Cellini spiral stitch. Honestly, I'm really excited. I know I have all the beads for these two, but I'm excited to try this spiral stitch because I don't know, it looks kind of cool, and I think I have all the beads that I need. So yeah, I even have some delicas, so I might try this one out. And so when I make it, I'm gonna upload it to my Instagram, so you definitely want to go and follow me on my Instagram. All my social media links will be in the description box below as well, along with the link to subscribe to this box or to the regular bead box or best bead box, which is also really nice. It just doesn't include this bonus pattern, and you get probably a little bit less of the extras, but I really like these boxes. Like I said, it's a great way to try out some new techniques and learn some new ways of using your beads. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, as it really helps my channel. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Maria Luisa, and I hope you decide to stay and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell right next to it so you get notified the next time I upload a new video, which I have a lot to catch up on because I hadn't been able to film as often, and I got a new laptop finally, so that I can make my editing a lot faster. And so I'm really excited to be bringing some more content to you guys. So you're going to see a lot more while I catch up on all my boxes. And again, thank you so much for watching, and take care and stay safe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.